Watching an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Good afternoon, Grommy. Sunday, May the 10th. Out here doing a little yard work, cleaning up my shit show. Pulling some pokeberries out of my candies here. This is edible. They get purple berries on them. Indian ink, foxberries. It's got a couple different names. As long as you get them nice and tender when they're this young and they don't have no hollow stem and pith in the stalk, they're very edible. Kind of tastes like asparagus. I won't be eating this right now. I'm just pulling this shit out of my candies. But it is very edible. And actually tastes very good. All right. See ya. Oh, got a little bit of my shit show cleaned up. Everything dying of thirst right now. It is hot as hell out here. Looks like my little Candace is gonna make it. Also tapioca. I think it's also called tapioca. But anyways, everything's dying of thirst. I'm gonna water them up real good tomorrow. Don't look like we're gonna get no damn rain. I might water them this evening. Don't look like we're gonna get a chance of rain, storms, and all that stuff has been knocked down. God damn them white butterflies. Let me see if I can find some eggs. I don't see no eggs on these ones here. I went through them this morning and squished them all. I ain't broke out the neem oil yet. Speaking of neem oil, if you read your neem oil directions from the manufacturer, it says do not add no surfactant, catalyst, whatever the hell you want to call it. In other words, don't add soap to your neem oil. I see a lot of people doing it on the boob tube, and I did it, and my plants didn't like it. I guess it's because it's just not running off the leaves, suffocating. The oil not being able to run off, suffocating the stomas on the leaves. But I'll be using neem oil and Crop Defender 3 for the first part until I start seeing PM showing up and stuff going into little bastard, my stuff going into flower. Then I'll switch to Dr. Zymes. Dr. Zymes is the only thing that I have found safe to use on cannabis and flower. It will not burn the pistils. Anything else will burn the pistils. And you're going to have to, where I live, you ain't going to have a crop if you don't spray them with something. I can tell you that right now. Got Dragon Slurrilla Z hanging in there. Recovered after the whipping I put on it yesterday. There's one of Mr. Man's blueberries. And there's a bunch of damn American beautyberry cuttings. Cutting off a plum tree. And cutting off a Slurrilla Z. From yesterday. Oh, God. About to burn up. Smoking. Let me see if I can find any eggs on these. I squished these some bitches yesterday when you seen that butterfly in the video. Let's see if we can see this. I can't see my tablet. There's one I missed this morning. Little son of a bitch. Let's squish the damn thing for now. There's Cass Peyote Farm. I hate them damn white butterflies. I want to squish some eggs in here. I'm gonna squish these right now. Can you see? Where you at? There it is. Yep. Definitely gonna have to spray them. I'm just gonna squish what I can squish for now. And sometime this week here, I'm gonna do an IPM in the evening. Kay's Rock Melon Haze. Oh, what have we got over here? Oh, I think we got I already give one away. I don't know which one it was. What was it? This was K's 2.0. And Kaz, one of Kaz period forms. Oh, I give one of Dragon's Slurl Aziz away this morning. Oh, blueberry bush looking good, boy. Man, that is some stacking of some nodes. She's gonna be one hell of a bush. One hell of a blueberry bush right there, Mr. Man. Yes, indeed. Looking good. Whew. I'm about to have a damn meltdown, kids. Trim my rose bush back some. That thing was all in the way when I was trying to cut some damn grass. Trying to get things together out here. It ain't easy being cheesy, baby. Hey, have a fantastic day. I appreciate you much. I'm out of here. Peace.